Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing another I tried following somebody's makeup tutorial. So if you guys have seen yesterday on Vogue's YouTube channel, Kylie Jenner did a makeup tutorial on there, and so I'm following it today. So I'm doing an I tried following a Kylie Jenner makeup tutorial, and this one is new, so I'm trying to get this video up as soon as possible so that it's like the day after that was just uploaded. So I will have that video linked down below for you guys so you guys can go check it out. I really like these kinds of videos, and it's been a while since I've done one. And yeah, so let's get started. So Kylie starts out with her brows. So she uses a brow pencil, and I'm gonna do the same. Then she used some concealer underneath her brows, not on top yet. She does that later on in the video, but I'm not used to doing that. But I'm gonna do it for the purpose of this video. I've been wanting to start to do like my eye makeup before my face makeup, just because I feel like it's become like everybody kind of does that, but I don't know, so maybe I will start to. And she uses her beauty blender and kind of just pats on her lids. Next, she uses some translucent powder and sets concealer on her lids. So next, Kylie's using her new summer palette. It's like the red one. I don't know if any of you guys have seen it on social media and stuff, but I don't think she has even come out with that yet. So I'm gonna try and use stuff that I have to recreate her eye look. I'm gonna try and use her Burgundy palette for some of the colors, and I don't know, I'll kind of switch around, but I actually think that the colors that she uses from her summer palette I could be able to get from this palette, so I'm gonna just go for it. She goes into a matte shade, so it's pretty light, and so I'm just gonna go into this one right here and apply that. She just kind of applies it to her crease. Yeah, actually I think that this might work. And then she goes into a shimmery color, like a very shimmery color. I'm actually gonna use her French Vanilla highlight because she does her brow bone next, and just take a brush and go into the French Vanilla highlight and apply that to my brow bone. But next she said she went into a darker brown, so I'm gonna go into, I'm just gonna mix these two shades right here and apply those. And she said she kind of just tries to create like a little bit of a cut crease. Her eyeshadow is pretty light, so I'm just using a blending brush to soften this up. Next she goes into a gold shade from the palette. So from this palette, this color right here is really pretty gold color. It's probably gonna be my best bet. So she just uses her finger and applies that. She went into a like shimmery orangey eyeshadow color from the palette. So I'm going to use this NYX Love You So Mochi palette, and I'm just going to go into this shimmery orange shade right here and apply that. She applied it to her inner corners. She mixes in one of those shimmery liquids that you mix into your foundation, and so I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD foundation and the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. I have this. I'm taking a brush. I couldn't tell you the last time I used a foundation brush over my beauty blender, so this is new for me. Or not new, but I just haven't done it in so long. And mixing the two on the back of my hand. Next, she uses her beauty blender to blend all of the foundation in. And then she uses some foundation and conceals the top of her brows. For concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Like her nose. Here. And now I'm gonna use my setting powder again, the Mercier one, and set underneath my eyes. So now she's using like a powder foundation. So this one is from Lancome and it is a powder foundation. I'm gonna use this to set all of my makeup. She contours her face, so I'm gonna use my Benefit Hoola bronzer and contour. Then she applies some powder again right below the contour. Now she uses lip liner. She didn't say which lip liner she used in her video, so I just used Candy K. She used her Nova lipstick from her Weather collection. She goes back into her eyeshadow and goes into the brown color again. I'm going to go into this shade right here and this one and apply that under my eyes. Goes back into the orange shade, applies the orange shade down here in her lower lash line, and then a little bit more powder underneath the eyes. She's using a super bright pink blush, so I'm just going to apply. Even puts it like on her forehead, like her chin. Now she applies mascara, but I don't know if she even curled her lashes, but I'm going to, just because I like to curl my lashes. Next she uses her highlighter again and a small brush. Where did mine go? She uses a small brush and applies that. I'm pretty sure she contoured her nose. I remember seeing that before when I watched this video for the first time. So I'm gonna contour my nose. And then she applies more blush. She sets her face, so I'm using the MAC Fix Plus. I feel like I'm like wetting my entire face when I do that. So this is the finished look. It's actually kind of bronzy and actually really good for summer. And Kylie always does have this kind of eye look, like that's like bronzy and a little bit orangey and stuff. So it's actually kind of cool to recreate that. So it's pretty natural, like the eyes are pretty natural and light, and then the face is more glammed up. I really like it, and I just like doing these kinds of videos, that I tried following kinds of videos. And yeah, so I've also done like 2 others, I think, of these kinds of videos, so I will link those down below in the description. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe, it's right next to it, to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I have been uploading a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video and stay tuned for next week's. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with all of the products that I used in today's video. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!